Hey guys, it's Jeremy at Glassworks, and I wanted to do another one of our Friday furnace side chats. It's been a while, but this is something that you're gonna need to know about this technique for the video I'm gonna put out on Tuesday. So really quickly, I want to do a real short one to talk about pipe handling and power versus precision, and why it's important to know how to do both. And so I'll show you a couple different techniques I see people using, and I hear people all the time talk about, well, that's the wrong way to do it, you need to do it this way. And I hear about both techniques. And so I think they're both important, and you need to know how to do both, but more importantly, you need to know when to use each one. So with that in mind, just kind of check these out. I'll do a voiceover about the different techniques. I'll show you both my hand positioning and how it appears on the marver and at the bench when you're using it. All right, guys, thanks. Enjoy. Okay, the first one I'm going to show you here is sort of precision marbering. When you're using your fingertips to control the pipe, you have a lot more control over distance of travel and the final shape of the bit you're making. So walking that pipe in your fingertips, always turning, you can walk back and forth. In this one, I'm really only showing one directional movement. So in this case, we're going to push forward and then pull back slightly and then push forward. We're rounding out the tip. This is something I would do when I'm shaping up my starter bubbles, when I want a nice, clean, even shape, and speed is not of the essence. Now, here's the hand shape for power. This is really, I'm pushing down with my overhand, and I'm pushing up with my bottom hand, and really pressing that glass. And what that translates to is a real quick and dirty form. So I'm doing this if I'm making a punny or trying to quickly grip the glass back for something like a mug handle. When I need to move really fast, and I'm not overly concerned about the shape of the glass so much as I am about how it's distributed and its temperature. So real quick, real fast, real aggressive, pushing that glass. It's an ugly punny, but it works every time. Now on the bench, this would be the power version, where you're pushing down hard and turning from fingertip to palm. It's good for opening, for jack lines. When you're doing more precise work on smaller, more delicate things, nice tight fingertip control is good. It gives you longer distance of turning. You're not limited by the length of your hand. Hey guys, that's about it. What I wanted to show you there really was more about the distance of travel and the ability to move the glass around on the pipe depending on how you turn the pipe. And while I think both those techniques are important, I tend to go more to the precision technique than the power technique. And again, I will use both as needed in different situations. But I think they both have their place in the shop, but I definitely edge more towards fingertip control than power with your hands. So I hope that helped, and I hope that will make sense on Tuesday when I put out our next video. Thanks a lot, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.